be solving the Rubik's Cube, and I'm going to mix it up. And I'll be right back. As you can see, it's mixed up, so we'll get started. 3, 2, 1. And there you have it. I'm done. Like, we're actually going to be solving it. So, what you're going to do is, so let's get it mixed up very quickly. We'll be right back. Okay, guys, face the other way, and I'm about to tell you that I solved the Rubik's Cube. I'm gonna solve the Rubik's Cube, actually, is what I should say. And I did not mean to do this, but now you're looking at my sauce. Now you're gonna die. So, mix up as you see, and let's get solving it. Not clickbait. Okay, we're on the last couple of steps here. Just gotta, there you go. And it solved the Rubik's Cube. I proved it. Green beans.